At Floral Design Institute, we're always looking for what's new and exciting. Today, let's look at pansies as a cut flower. Yes, truly pansies. The inspiration today, pansies. A direct compliment from Mother Nature. Look at the lavender violet and the yellow. Are they not fabulous? The container, pre-lined, floral netting in place so I can do foam free. Then all I need to do is add water, pre-mixed with flower food. First is a nest of foliage. And you know me, I like to use at least 3 different foliages to give a nice base, a nest for the flowers. So some salal, some call it lemon leaf, tucking it in. And then coming back with just a bit of ruscus, giving a little bit more height. Some breaking the line, some coming up. And then galax, one of my favorites. It's perfect for breaking the line and making sure that you cover all your mechanics. Go through, build a nest, set it beautifully, and you're ready for flowers. Next up, creating a base layer of yellow, which will really set off all the lavender. Stock is fabulous. This is local stock, so it's a little bit smaller, but look how beautiful and super fragrant. The studio smells fabulous. Tucking it in, letting it radiate to a central binding point. Working linear, but everything still feeds in to that same binding point, filling it. Coming back with mini carnations, a little soft yellow. And continue on till you have a finished base. Now we add the stars of the show, the beautiful pansies, just pulling off any lower foliage, looking for any damaged blooms, and then setting them in, letting them come up a little bit taller so that they show off, look amazing. Tucking. Making sure that you spread them from side to side and front to back. When you're working with a complementary harmony, you want to make sure that you pull that color through. So coming back with scabiosa and tucking it down low, drawing the eye from the pansies inward, filling it in, adding depth. And then even some tiny little sweet peas, letting them come out. You can see the vines. How fabulous is that? Tucking it in, and then letting it extend, bringing that lavender through the design over the top of the yellow to complete the complementary color harmony. The recipe. We started with a base of foliage, 3 of my favorites, salal, ruscus, and galax. I used 3 stems of salal, 5 stems of ruscus, and 12 stems of galax. Then moved on to the yellow. With the stock, I used 7 stems, miniature carnations, 5 stems. Then on to the lavender with the sweet peas, 5 stems, scabiosa, 7, and then the stars of the show, the pansies, I used 3/4 of a bunch, approximately 10 stems cut apart to fill in. Mother Nature gives us the color harmonies. We just need to interpret. The violet and the yellow, how fabulous is that? You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us there. But now it's your turn. Gather up a complimentary collection of flowers, create a design, take a picture and post it on social media. Be sure to hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.